Okay guys, so today I'm gonna review my toys. I'm gonna review Cruz, Lightning McQueen, and Jackson Storm. Well, I got these three characters. Now let's review first Jackson Storm. Jackson Storm looks good. I mean, he's the next generation Cars 3 now. Okay, let's review Cruz Ramirez. She's now in a race with Lightning McQueen. So their number, Dinoco 51. Another Dinoco here. She got that nice smile. And she also has a Dinoco here. Right here, 51. Okay, now let's review Lightning McQueen. Now, I haven't got the Cars 3 version of the Lightning McQueen, so I'm just reviewing this one. This one is from Cars 1, so yeah. Nice paint job and everything. So we hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe for more videos. Also, I made a channel called Mario and Sonic Adventure Gaming Show, so you should check it out and look at it. And I made gaming videos. Okay, so see you later, guys. Bye.